Do this, and your house will smell so strong that even the neighbors will smell it. That's right. This incredible idea will transform the atmosphere of your home with an irresistible perfume. Stay with me until the end. Let's start with 3 candles. The first step is to melt them completely, which can be done directly in a pan or in a bain-marie. Once melted, turn off the heat and save the wicks. Yes, the leftovers, because we'll use them later. Now transfer the melted wax into a glass container. This is where the magic happens. The secret to this trick lies in the next ingredient, fabric softener. That's right, that fabric softener you already have at home and whose scent you love will make all the difference. And to make this idea even more special, we've added a handful of cloves, as well as providing a delicious aroma. Cloves are also a natural repellent. Remember that wisp we saved? It's time to use it with a stick and place it in the center of the glass container. This ensures that it stays in place while the wax cools and hardens. If you want to speed up the process, you can put the container in the fridge. In just a few minutes, you'll have a super powerful scented candle, much better than the ones you buy in the supermarket. As well as perfuming the house, it also has the ability to repel insects, ideal for use in the living room, bedroom, or even on the balcony.